Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This two-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Jeep has less than 56,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power steering, power windows, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, stability control, traction control, and tow hooks. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.